In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro. Now, to be clear, there isn't a magic credit card that gives you Nitro for free, but there are fully legal ways to enjoy Nitro without paying out of pocket. I'll walk you through each option, how to claim it safely, and tips to avoid common pitfalls. First, keep an eye out for Discord's own free trials. These pop up for new users or during special promotions. Check your Discord notifications and the email link to your account, and look for an official claim link. If you get a trial, note the expiration date and turn off auto renew if you don't plan to continue. You can redeem trial links directly in the app or by going to the redemption page. Just make sure the offer is from Discord, not a random site. Next, take advantage of promotional offers bundled with other services. Xbox Game Pass often includes a Nitro perk, and you'll sometimes see partner promotions or special event bundles. Claim perks through the official Xbox app or the partner's account portal. Then connect your Discord account as instructed. These offers may be region limited or for new Nitro subscribers only, so read the terms carefully and avoid third-party resellers. Community giveaways are another solid route when done safely. Trusted servers, streamers, or friends sometimes gift Nitro. Only participate in giveaways hosted by reputable communities, and never share your password, two-factor codes, or personal details to verify your entry. Real giveaways won't ask for that information, and you should never be asked to pay to claim a prize. You can also be gifted a Nitro code from friends or family. Legitimate codes can be purchased from major retailers like large online stores, game shops, or as official Discord gift cards. When you receive a code, redeem it through the gift inventory in Discord or on the official redeem page. If a website offers free generator codes, skip it. Those are scams. Finally, consider earning gift cards through legitimate rewards apps or websites and use those to buy Nitro. Look for platforms with strong reviews and clear payout histories. Redeem your earnings for store credit or a payment method you can use to purchase an official Nitro gift. You shouldn't have to pay money to unlock rewards, and you should never provide sensitive information. That's it. 5 safe paths to enjoy Discord Nitro without paying directly. Stay patient, stick to official channels, and protect your account at every step. If this helped, check your notifications now and see if a trial or promo is waiting for you.